The Great Depression, America's greatest economic trial. My friends, today we examine the most devastating economic crisis in modern history, the Great Depression. This wasn't just about numbers on a stock ticker. It was about real people, real suffering, and ultimately, real resilience. It all began on Black Tuesday, October 29, 1929. The stock market crash wiped out fortunes overnight. But the true tragedy unfolded in the years that followed. By 1933, nearly every bank had closed its doors. Factories stood silent as tombs. 1 in 4 American workers couldn't find a job. That's 13 million people staring into the abyss of poverty. Imagine this: former businessmen selling apples on street corners, housewives stretching a single chicken into 3 meals, children going to bed with stomachs growling from hunger. This was daily life for millions. The Dust Bowl compounded the misery. Beginning in 1931, relentless dust storms turned America's breadbasket into a wasteland. Farmers watched helplessly as their topsoil blew away. Over 300,000 Okies fled to California, only to face prejudice and squalid migrant camps. Yet in this darkness, we find America's indomitable spirit. Neighbors shared what little they had, communities came together. And in 1933, a new president brought new hope. Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal created jobs building roads, bridges, and parks. The Civilian Conservation Corps put 3 million young men to work. Social Security promised dignity for the elderly. Roosevelt's fireside chats comforted a nervous nation. The arts flourished despite or perhaps because of the hardship. Dorothea Lange's photographs exposed the human cost. John Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath gave voice to the dispossessed. Woody Guthrie's songs became anthems of the common man. What lessons does this era teach us? First, that unchecked speculation has consequences. Second, that government must protect its most vulnerable. And most importantly, that no challenge is too great for the American people when we stand together. If you found this journey through our past meaningful, I invite you to join us for more stories that shaped America. Because understanding where we've been helps us navigate where we're going. Until next time, may we never forget the strength shown by those who endured our nation's darkest economic winter.